Good afternoon, boys and girls. This is your daily math recap number 2 for your volume homework. Today we're going to be working on formulas for volume. First, let's look at the definition of volume. It is the amount of space occupied by a solid figure. So the first volume formula we're going to use is V equals B times H. Remembering that when we have two variables together with no operation sign, that means multiplication. So let's look at what each one of these stands for. The V stands for volume. The B stands for base. And the H stands for height. So let's look at the example that we have here. Go ahead and make sure that's clear enough for you. Each one of these tiny boxes is 1 cubic meter. 1 cubic meter. And the first thing I'm going to find is the area of the base. The base is the bottom row. This here. The bottom layer. Well, to find the base, I'm actually going to be finding the area because this is the length and this is the width. So I'm going to find the base area by multiplying 8 meters times 8 meters. Because you remember, area, from when we did before, is length times width. So the base area is 64, cross that out, make that again, 64 square meters. Now that I know the base, now in order to do the formula, I just need to know how many layers or the height, and it tells us that it is 8 meters tall. So to complete the formula, I know that V equals base times height. V, standing for volume, equals 64 square meters times 8 meters. V equals, we'll multiply that out, 64 times 8, 512 meters cubed. Okay, we have a new symbol. This symbol stands for cubed or cubic. Okay. So we're going to be doing cubed from now on when we're talking about volume. Okay. Let's look at another example. Okay. We can use length, width, and height to find the volume. Okay. So our next formula that we're going to be using is V equals L times W times H. Or it can be written without the multiplication signs, V equals L times W times H. Keeping in mind that we've already gone over that L stands for length and W stands for width. Okay. So let's go ahead and take a look at our dimensions here. Our length is 11 centimeters, so V equals 11 centimeters times our width is 9 centimeters times our height, which is 13 centimeters. Okay, we're going to work this just like any other expression or equation. We're going to take two of them, and this is 99 centimeters squared times 13 centimeters, and then 99 times 13 is 1,287 cubic meters. Okay? So you can use this formula here, or you can use this formula and you're going to get the same answer. So these are two different formulas that you can use for volume. I hope this has been helpful for your homework, and make sure you bring in your questions and your homework on Thursday. Have a good evening.